want to happen is we want a call to come in, be welcomed by a welcome message saying thank you very much for reaching the service, which is this application here. Then we want the call to go to an input reader, which is going to be the application which reads the customer reference number, which then stores it as a variable, which makes it then available to be used elsewhere. So if we open up this application, we can see that the settings here reflect the fact that we want the customer reference number to be 6 digits in length and to be entered, and then we want them to terminate the sequence by using the hash key to indicate that they've entered it correctly. The rest of the information is just standard stuff here for the test, and then the important bit here is this variable name, and this is the variable name which the platform is going to remember the customer reference number by. So now let's move on to the events which need to happen in order to get that customer reference number into the Zendesk ticket. So here we've got two very simple events. We've just got a very standard create ticket event. So as soon as there's an inbound call, a ticket will be created in this setup, in this Zendesk setup here. And then the second event is going to be the main one, which takes the data, the customer reference number, and prints it into a private comment in this Zendesk instance I've got up here. Okay, so this one is going to happen as soon as the call has been bridged with an agent, and it's going to go into a private comment as we see here. And this is the text that we're going to use. Customer reference number equals, and then this funny bit of text in curly brackets here is just a sort of a short code which the platform is using to call up the customer reference number, which has been input via DTMF, and it's going to replace this this short code with the actual customer reference number in the ticket. So now I'm going to start a call to that number, and we will see it happening live now. So I've started the call, and I've got through to IVR now. So I've been given the welcome message, and now I'm into the input reader. So I'm going to input 526841 hash. So I've entered my my customer reference number now. So if we look in Zendesk, we can see that a ticket has been created already. So we go into that ticket, we can see that it's just been entered with, been given some normal information. And now we've got a call coming in, very loud in my ear, to me as an agent. So I'm going to answer that. And what happens as soon as we answer is that the customer reference number which I input in the IVR has been printed into the ticket.